how to download Adobe Photoshop for free. Yes, you heard it right, for free. So first thing first, we have to go to our search and then type here Microsoft Store. So yeah, just type Microsoft Store and then you will be redirected to, of course, Microsoft Store. Now what you got to do is just type on the search Adobe Creative Cloud. Just search this Adobe Creative Cloud and you will find this Adobe Creative Cloud, and then there will be an option called Get. Just tap it. I have already installed it, so it's showing me this. But if you do it for the first time, it will say Get, G-E-T. Just press it and it will install. It will get installed in your device automatically, right? So let me show you how it will be. For example, so yeah, it will be like this, right? You get it. Now what you got to do is just search here and again Adobe Creative Clouds. You will get this in your computer install. Just press this Adobe Creative Cloud and here we are in Adobe Creative Cloud. From the search, type Photoshop. So yeah, just type Photoshop. As you can see, this will be the latest version of Photoshop. If you are doing this in 2024, then you won't get the older version. This will be the latest version. So right now there is two options. So as you can see, buy and free trial. This is what we need. This is not. This is what we need. All right. This is payment. This is free. All right. Let's do it. Just tap free trial and wait a minute. Wait for the video to load this screen. Yeah. So now there will be three options. This is only Photoshop. This is blah blah blah. Don't get distracted. Just tap this, and you can also choose this as well if you are rich. So but of course you are not. That's the reason you are watching the video. All right, just press this Photoshop and then choose this monthly, annually, year. So just you don't have to worry about. Of course it's free, don't have to pay anything. Just press continue. All right, and it will ask this 7-day free trial. So there's no thanks. If you want, you can do it. And at the end, yeah, of course you have to add your card. All right, so you just only have to add your card. They won't charge you. All right, you just have to add your card so that they get it that you have a card. So yeah, you just have to add your card here, and then you have to press this button called start free trial. So as you can see, this is a 7-day free trial. All right, so it's a 7-day free trial. So after that it will charge, but what you have to do is, I said it's free, all right, in the starting. So yeah, it's free. They won't charge. So what you have to do is on the 7th day, or on the 6th day, or on the 7th day, you can cancel it. All right. So if you want to continue, then of course you can pay. Then of course you can pay for the software, but you can cancel before this date. All right, it will show you like this, and in this way you won't charge anything for this software. So this is how you get Adobe Photoshop for absolutely free. Yeah, hope this video helpful, and please like, and if you want to comment something, just comment it. If you don't want, just don't comment it. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching.